Hello students, today we are going to start class 10, chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equation. Before starting this chapter, you must know about the change chemical and physical. As you know, the change in which a new substance is formed is called chemical change, and in which no new substance is formed or the properties will remain same is called physical change. In this, we are going to start first of all types of chemical reactions. Reactions are of 5 types. Number 1, combination reactions. Number 2, decomposition reactions. Number 3, displacement reactions. Number 4, double displacement reaction. And the last, redox reaction. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the mainly combination reaction. Combination reaction, before starting the combination reaction we must know its definition. The reaction is said to be combination if more than one substance react together to give a new single product. Mean to say, more than one species combine to give a single product. That type of reaction is called combination reaction. Mind it, that reaction is called combination reaction. I will send the page number of NCERT where you will read the definition of a combination reaction. But before, you must clear about the combination reaction. When more than one species combine together to form a single product, the reaction is called combination reaction. Combination reactions are of 3 types. When element combine with element. B. When element combine with compound. C. When compound combine with compound. Okay, now we will discuss these types one by one by taking a suitable example. Before starting their detailed discussion, we must know about the element combination. In element combination, the one type of atom, only one type of atom combine with the one type of atom, that type of reaction is called element combination. For example, element combination. Example, carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. Simple. Here we have 2 types of reacting species. One is carbon, made up of only carbon atom. Then we have oxygen, made up of only oxygen. Don't get confused, it's O2, then it's a more than one type of atom. But 2 means only 2 atoms of oxygen. They combine to form carbon dioxide. Same, we take one more example. Carbon combined with oxygen, sometimes it also forms carbon monoxide. Again, more than one combined to give single. So this type is called element combination. Number 2, element compound. Now, if a species has more than one type of atom, that's called simply compound. Element compound combination. Its example, SO2. Here we have sulfur, one type atom, O2, second type of atom. So in SO2 we have 2 types of atom. When it combines with O2, it forms SO3. Similarly, carbon monoxide, CO, one atom of carbon, one atom of oxygen, two types of atom. That's why it is called compound. Reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Clear? Now we are left with only the third type of reaction, that is compound-compound combination. Now we will discuss it by taking example. Compound combination. Here we are going to take one example of compound combination. NH3. It's called ammonia. One atom of nitrogen, three atom of hydrogen makes ammonia. That's why it is called compound, because it contains more than one type of atom. It reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid, one atom of hydrogen and one atom of chlorine. It will form ammonium chloride. Here two types of compound react together and to form a single product. So this type of reaction is called compound-compound combination. One more example here we can take, that is calcium hydroxide, again compound. When it reacts with carbon dioxide, it forms calcium carbonate. Again, it's compound-compound combination. So here we take one review which type of reaction is called combination, in which more than one species react together to form a single species. The reaction is called combination reaction. In combination reaction we have three types. One type is called element-element, another one element-compound, and third type compound-compound. The reaction is said to be element-element combination if only one type of atom react with the one type of atom. One type of atom of one species react with the one type of atom of other species. That type of reaction is called element-element combination reaction. Here carbon one type, oxygen only one type, they react to form carbon dioxide. This is element-element combination reaction. Again element compound, in which one type of atom reacts with the species which contain more than one type of atom. Here SO2, it has two types of atom. One is sulfur, another one is oxygen, reacts with oxygen. So this is compound and this is element. This is compound, this is element. To form a single species, this is called element compound combination. In compound compound combination, more than one type of element reacts with the other species which contain more than one type of element. This is called compound-compound combination. This is all about the combination reaction. Now, one more thing, the combination reactions are mainly considered as exothermic. Why they are considered as exothermic? Because whenever the combination takes place, there will be a release of energy. The release of energy is called exothermic. The simplest question which always comes in the exam, write one example of a combination reaction which is also exothermic. So that is burning of coal. Burning of coal. Coal contain only carbon. Burn matlab in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide along with heat. So this heat is called energy. When energy is released, the reaction is said to be exothermic. So we can say that combination reaction are mainly exothermic. This is the simplest example of combination reaction which is also exothermic. Thank you.